in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block third-party cookies on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings from the bottom of this menu. On the left side, you want to select Privacy and Security. And then underneath Privacy and Security, select third-party cookies. And now you want to go down here and select Block Third-Party Cookies. And you can also allow or block related sites to see your activity in this group too, if you want to enable that or not. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.